Well, this is another vacuum-assisted fermentation start that I'm going to do here. What I've got here is kimchi, and there's a whole bunch of pepper paste and hot pepper sauce in here. One of the things I like to do is add this hot pepper. It's called sambal oleg. And I also use this pepper paste, which is some kind of Korean thing, and it kind of looks like that. It's kind of gross, but it's like a tomato paste consistency. Anyway, what I've got here is my kimchi ferment that I'm about to start, and I also have a food saver vacuum system that I'm going to use here. And I pull out this goes on top of that, and this goes on top of here. So I'm going to push this here, and basically what I'm trying to do is I want to show the air bubbles coming out of here when I start a vacuum pump. Okay, now we should see the bubbles coming up. There they are, right there. There's a lot coming out. What I'm afraid is going to happen is I'm going to wind up getting juice in the vacuum system. Don't really want to do that. I don't think I got it in. Nope, it's clean. Alright, just for grins and giggles, we're going to run this again. Bubbles coming out. There's still more. Just to give it a little and that's it. That's how you do a vacuum assist fermentation start. There's still some bubbles in there. I'm going to run this one more time and then we'll see what happens.